MatBox materials in Corona Renderer. To start using MatBox materials with Corona Renderer, first open your Render Setup window. Under Assign Renderer, set the production renderer to Corona. Next, open AfterBox, download a material, and make sure the Corona checkbox is enabled. Now simply click and drag the material into the 3ds Max viewport. The material sphere will appear at the origin point at coordinates. To apply the material, open the Compact Material Editor. Then use the Pick Material from Object tool and click on the material sphere in the viewport. Now just select your object and click Assign Material to Selection. That's it, your material is now applied and ready to use. MatBox also comes with powerful customization features that let you fine-tune materials to match your exact needs. We'll explore those next. 1. Adding dirt to materials. Let's take a look at how to add dirt effects to your material. Before we begin, keep in mind that the dirt effect is only visible in the final render, not in the viewport. To enable dirt in your material, first click on the Color Map slot, then select Mode Dirt and enable Active Dirt checkbox. Click on the Active Dirt button to confirm. To change the dirt color, click on Color Dirt. Here you have two options. First, you can simply pick a color using the color picker, or for more advanced control, enable the Texture Dirt Diffuse option. Then click on Texture Dirt Diffuse again and use Load Map to choose your own dirt texture. Now click Go to Parent to return to the previous level. To adjust the intensity of the dirt, click on Intensity Dirt, then again on the Intensity Dirt. By changing the color value from black to white, you can control how strong the dirt effect appears. Click Go to Parent again to go back. Now, if you want to change the dirt texture itself, click on Texture Dirt. Inside AfterBox, MatBox, Textures, Dirt, you will find a wide variety of dirt textures available. Just download the one you like, then drag and drop the image directly onto the texture slot in the material editor. If needed, use UVW mapping to control the scale of the dirt on your object. 2. Enabling dirt in reflections. To add dirt specifically to the reflection, click on the Roughness Map slot. Enable the Active Dirt checkbox and then click the Active Dirt button. Next, click on Intensity Reflection Dirt. Now, by adjusting the color value here, you can control how reflective the dirty areas should be. A darker color reduces the reflection where dirt appears. 3. Enabling tile for materials. To enable tiling, click on the color map, then check Active Tile. Don't worry if you've already added dirt settings, they won't be disabled. Click on the Active Tile button. Now you will see a few controls. Click Color Tile to change the color of the tile gaps. Then click Intensity Color Tile and check it again. By adjusting the color value from white to black, you control how strong the tile effect appears. Next, click Mode Triplanar for Tile, and then Texture Tile to change the tile texture. To do this, go to AfterBox, MatBox, Textures, Tile. Download the tile texture you want, then drag and drop it directly onto the texture slot. To resize the tiles, simply adjust the tiling value. To go back, click Go to Parent. If you want to disable Corona's triplanar mapping, enable the Texture Tile option manually. You can also enable bump mapping for your tiles. Click on the Bump Map slot, enable Active Tile Normal, then click on it. Click Mode Triplanar for normal tile to specify whether you want to use triplanar projection. Keep the checkbox active and finally click on Disable triplanar normal tile if you don't want to use it. Use strength mult to adjust the bump intensity. And under input image, you can load your own bump texture. Pay attention. If you've changed the diffuse texture, don't forget to also change the normal map to match it. 4. Color correction. To apply color corrections, follow this path. Color map, select mode dirt, disable dirt, diff texture. Then click on diff texture. And here you can apply adjustments to brightness, contrast, or saturation based on what your project needs. 5. Resizing the material. Go to Color Map, select Mode Dirt, Disable Dirt, Diff Texture, Mode Triplanar, Active Triplanar. Once there, use the Scale slider to adjust the overall scale of the material to fit your object perfectly. 6. Controlling bump intensity. To control how strong the bump effect appears on your material, simply adjust the numeric value next to bump. Higher values increase the surface detail, while lower values make it subtler. 7. Controlling displacement. In the material editor, go to displacement section. Here, you can adjust both the min level and max level to control the height and depth of the displacement effect on your material.